up, guys? Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, and that is your bio. A well-written biography is so crucial if you want to get better gigs, if you want to appeal to magazines, newspapers, television shows, radio shows, anybody that's going to be interested in booking you and talking with you and helping you advance your career. You have to have a well-written bio. I've got a bunch of tips on how to make your bio stand out, how to make it awesome, and how to really gain attention of the people in the music business that you really want to start attracting. Before we go any further, please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date on all the latest videos that I'm going to be releasing on how to advance your career and elevate yourself to the next level. Let's get into the video. Okay, the first tip I have for you guys is to keep your bio concise. This means no longer than one page, and honestly, I like to keep it right down to like 2 or 3 paragraphs. Nail them with all the details up front, give them all the information that's going to really wow them in the first few sentences. What you've done in your career, who you've opened for, all the major details and the major selling points right off the bat. The second tip I have for you guys goes along with the first one. It's don't tell your life story. I know that some people release bios that have all the information about their entire life, about where they were born, what their favorite color is, what their favorite food is, what their favorite animal is, what color jeans they're wearing. And I hate to tell you guys, but nobody really cares. These people want to book you. They want to know what about you stands out from all of the other bios that they've probably gotten that same week. So keep it concise, to the point, don't tell your life story, only the major facts in there. All right, the next tip that I have for you guys is to earn your superlatives. This means even if you are the greatest singer to come out of blah, 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 Massachusetts, that's great, you probably are, but don't say it in your bio. Let the person reading it decide for themselves. Let them read about you, see who you've opened for, see the amazing things that you've done in your career. Let them come up with the thought, wow, this person is really amazing. I need to book them. I need them in my venue. I need to interview them. I need to play their song on the radio. Let them decide. The next tip I have for you guys is to get your bio proofread. There is nothing worse than spelling errors. You guys, I get bios sent to me all the time. I do website design, I do CD cover designs, marketing, promotions, packages, that kind of thing. People are always sending me their bios. And so many times they will send me a bio and it has a million spelling errors. And I'm like, I mean, seriously, are these people illiterate? Like, why would they send me a bio that has 1,000 spelling errors? Wrong spelling of towns, wrong spelling of celebrities' names. I have seen it all. So just make sure that your bio is proofread. Have a friend or family member read through it, make sure there's no spelling errors, no punctuation errors before you send it out. You may only have one chance to make this impact on the person you're sending it to, and you want it to be a good one. You want it to be super professional. You want it to be well written. Just make sure you get it proofread. It only takes a minute to do it. Okay, the last tip I have for you guys on making your bio awesome is to keep it up to date. This means if you haven't updated your bio in 6 months, give it a once over. You may have had some really cool things happen to you in the last 6 months. I recommend looking over it once a month, because what if you opened for someone last month, or you played an amazing venue, a sold out show, you had a single come out? Those are all the things that you can add into your bio, and the more up to date it is, the more it's gonna look like you're currently doing all of these things. There's nothing worse than going to someone's website and looking at their bio page and it's from like 2012 and their picture looks like they're 11 years old when they're really a lot older and have done a lot more things in their career since that was written. Just keep it up to date. It's easy. 1 or 2 sentences, your most current things. It's super simple. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any other questions or want some more tips or advice on helping to elevate your career to the next level, leave it in the comment box below. I will read it and I will do my best to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go make your bio awesome.